Good day, people. This is GrabTech2.com. Today we are going to unbox one of the newest brand brought in the Philippines. This brand is called Gear 4, a brand from Europe that specializes on portable speakers for iPad and iPhone. The name of the unit to be unboxed is Street Party Size Zero, and this is it. This box contains a user manual, there, power supply, which comes with an interchangeable plugs, next is a carry case, and then the unit itself, and it comes also with a remote control. The power supply comes with an interchangeable plugs for different types of plugs in every country. The unit has a compartment for battery, which can be operated by 4 pieces of AAA battery. There's the DC in for the power supply, the on and off, and then the auxiliary in, just in case you don't have any iPad or iPhone unit. And then this one is the docking unit for the iPhone and iPad with a volume controller. So there you go. This is the Street Party Size Zero Gear 4 unboxed.